R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2C, question number 24. In question number 24, if alpha and beta are the zeros of the polynomial fx equals to x square plus x minus 2, find the value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta. So in this problem, we have given a quadratic polynomial x square plus x minus 2 whose zeros are alpha and beta. So sum of zeros will be equals to minus b upon a. So minus 1, and product of 0 will be equals to minus 2. So we have to find the value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta. So this will be equals to alpha beta, and alpha beta is LCM. Alpha will be cancelled out from alpha, beta will be multiplied to 1. So beta minus beta will be cancelled out from beta. So alpha will be multiplied to 1 minus alpha. So here we have need value of beta minus alpha, and we have already alpha into beta. So firstly we will find beta minus alpha. So we know that alpha plus beta whole square will be equals to alpha square plus beta square plus 2 alpha beta. Now adding 2 alpha beta and subtracting minus 2 alpha beta, we are subtracting minus 2 alpha beta and adding 2 alpha beta, and this is 2 alpha beta already. So this will be equals to beta minus alpha whole square, and 2 alpha beta plus 2 alpha beta will be equals to 4 alpha beta, and this is alpha plus beta whole square. So from here beta minus alpha whole square will be equals to alpha plus beta whole square minus 4 alpha beta. Now putting the value, alpha plus beta is minus 1. So alpha plus beta square will be equals to 1 minus 4 into alpha beta is minus 2. So this will be equals to 9. So beta minus alpha whole square will be equals to 9. So from here beta minus alpha will be equals to 3. This is the value of beta minus alpha. Now putting value here, so beta minus alpha is 3 and alpha into beta is minus 2. So value of 1 upon alpha minus 1 upon beta will be equals to minus 3 upon 2. R.S. Agrawal, chapter Polynomial, exercise 2C, question number 25. In question number 25, if the zeros of the polynomial fx equals to x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1 are a minus b, comma a and a plus b, then find a and b. So in this problem we have given a quadratic polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus x plus 1. We have given the three zeros of this polynomial. First zero is alpha, that is equals to a minus b. Second zero is beta, that is equals to a. And third zero is gamma, that is equals to a plus b. Now comparing this cubic polynomial with the standard form. Comparing with standard form ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. So from here a will be equals to 1, b will be equals to minus 3, c will be equals to 1 and d will be equals to 1. For this polynomial whose zeros are a minus b, a and a plus b, the sum of zeros will be alpha plus beta plus gamma, that will be equals to minus b upon a. So alpha, so now putting the value of alpha, beta and gamma, a minus b plus a plus a plus b will be equals to minus b is minus 3 upon a is 1. So minus will be cancelled out. So from here 3a will be equals to 3. So from here a will be equals to 1. This is the value of a. And now product of zeros, that will be equals to alpha into beta into gamma, that is given by minus d upon a. So a minus b into a plus b will be equals to d is 1, so minus 1. Now putting the value of a equals to 1, so this equation will become 1 minus b into 1 plus b equals to minus 1. So now from here a plus b and a minus b, that will be equals to 1 minus b square equals to minus 1. So minus b square will be equals to minus 2. So from here b will be equals to plus minus under root 2. So value of b will be plus minus under root 2.